Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on Windows. It's really simple and easy. First of all, what you have to do is open up your settings, come to the bottom and click on this Windows icon and simply tap on this settings. Head over to the left and click on this apps and go for this installed apps in the top. It will load all of your apps on your computer. Then you can go and find the app which you want to uninstall. You can either scroll through or you can search. You've also got these different filters and categories as well. So let's say this is the app I want to uninstall. What you have to do is you have to simply tap on these three dots here and tap on this uninstall. You need to press uninstall again. Now the process of uninstalling app does vary a little bit, and you can see it's just uninstalled. So you can repeat this process. Just tap on these three dots, tap on this uninstall, uninstall again, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to uninstall apps on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.